When simplifying algebraic expressions with algebra tiles, there are a few legal moves that we can use. So the first one is zero pairs. And zero pairs is a positive and a negative of the same tile in the same region. So, for instance, we have a positive xy and a negative xy in the same region on the same side of our mat. So that would make 0. We also have in the opposite region along the bottom a positive 1 and a negative 1, which makes 0 as well. So 0 pairs, positive and a negative of the same tile, same value in the same region. We can also do what is called flipping regions. So the one thing that we have to remember when we are flipping regions is if we take this tile and we move it up, we have to change the value of that tile. So that positive x, when it's in the opposite region, when we put it up into the positive region, it becomes the opposite of whatever that tile was. So the positive x, when flipped, becomes a negative x. If we had a negative 1 down here and we flipped it up, it would become a positive 1. So there's our flipping regions. We can also add or remove the same tiles with the same, that's a fail, the same value on both sides. So, for instance, this one and this one can be removed from both sides because it doesn't change the relationship between the two expressions. We also can do the same things with y's and remove those as well. They do have to be the same value, so it can't be a positive y on one side and a negative y on the other, so that is something you need to be careful of. And those are legal moves.